Hello everybody, so I'm here to show you my new acquisition, this time a Dendrobium phalaenopsis hybrid, and this is called the Dendrobium Aridang Blue Angel. Actually, the name is should be Aridang. I think it's a typographical error on the part of the grower, but so far so good. It's still beautiful and I really like it because of the bluish. It's not really blue, it's much more of like a towards the purple, but light purple, so it's kind of blue, much more like indigo. So I really like the accents on the petals themselves, and the green center, so you could see there's also some veining across the sepals and the petals. The lip is actually also veined and colored with darker shade of purple. So it's really nice. Alright, so it came with the a very not so attractive pot, a plastic pot, which I don't like, a black opaque pot, so you cannot really see the roots or anything like that. So I fixed that right away by using a glass vase. So this way I would be able to see the roots when it grows across this potting mix. So as you would notice, of course, this doesn't have holes in it. So basically I'm gonna do the my lazy method so wherein I'll just add water to a certain point and then let it absorb and then let it dry out completely. So it's some sort of like a semi-hydroponics method wherein you kind of let the orchid sit in water for a while. And I also did it for this particular phalaenopsis here. So you could see here, it's also in a pot with some stones at the bottom, so it would like condense. So you can see there's a condensation at the bottom of the pot, which increases the humidity around the roots. So I'm definitely excited about the developments on this orchids of this method that I'm doing, because I'm a very lazy in watering my orchids. So this way it would increase the humidity around the roots, and also it would water the plants much more in a much more longer period, and hopefully they won't drown. Well, all of my plants, most of the plants that I did this way didn't really drown or anything like that, because I don't put too much water. I usually just put in just the right amount of water so it won't drown the orchid. So there you go. So I'm really liking the colors on this orchids that I have here, since I don't have something that has this particular color combination, green and dark, or purple, or like bluish purple or indigo, something like that. So definitely I'm gonna show you soon if I have updates on this one. By the way, this is a hybrid. This dendrobium is a hybrid between the Dendrobium phalaenopsis, which is the bigibbum, and the phalaenopsis antelope type. So it does look like an antelope type of dendrobium, because you could see here it has actually this horn-like petals. So yeah, just to give you a yeah, this is a nice look on this guys here. Alright, so for all the guys who are watching my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you would be able to get updates on my newest uploads, time-lapse videos, updates on my orchid collection. Alright, happy growing everybody.